This is Eureka Math, 3rd grade, Module 3, Lesson 20, Exit Ticket. We're going to start with our first problem, which is number 3. Place parentheses in the equation to find the related fact. Okay, so our fact is 4 times 20 equals 4 times 2 times 10. Now we want to know where to put the parentheses. Here are our options down here. So our first option would be to put them around the 2 and the 10. Our second option is around the 4 and the 10. And the last option is around the 4 and the 2. Okay, so when we're looking at this problem, what do we see? They've brought down the 10, so that leaves the 4 and the 2. So 4 times 2 equals 8, and 8 times 10 equals 80. Is 4 times 20 80? Yes, it is. So our answer for number 3 is 4 times 2, in parentheses, times 10. Number 4, 4 times 20 equals blank. Okay, let's figure out what is 4 times 20. 4 times 2 times 10. Okay, this is where we put our parentheses. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 10 equals 80. So 4 times 20 equals 80. Number 5, place parentheses in the equation to find the related fact of 3 times 30 equals 3 times 3 times 10. So because we want the related fact, we do not want to find 3 times 30. 3 times 30 would be 3 times 30. If the 3 times 10 is in parentheses, that is the same thing as 3 times 30. But we don't want the same fact. We want the related fact. So what we're going to do is try to figure out just a different way to get the same answer. So instead of doing 3 times 10 in parentheses, let's try the other way. Let's try the parentheses here, okay? So 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 times 10 equals 90. So yeah, that's the answer. 3 times 3 is in parentheses, and then multiplied by 10. Number 6, 3 times 30. Okay, we can figure this out several different ways. What did we just do? We just put the parentheses around the 3 times 3. So let's put them here. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 10 equals 90. So 3 times 30 equals 90. Number 7, Jamila solves 20 times 5 by thinking about 10 tens. Explain her strategy. So let's think about 10 tens. What is 10 tens? 10 tens is the same thing as 100, right? Okay, so if she breaks 20 into 2 tens, so here's 20 and here's 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's our fact family, right? 10 plus 10 equals 20. And then she does that 5 times, okay? So she can associate this. She can go 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 plus 50 equals 100. So the answer is she breaks 20 into 2 tens.